Best credit cards in the Philippines, top 7. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 7 credit cards, in my opinion, that you could get in the Philippines. And as you can see on our screen right now, we have 7 total tabs over here from different platforms or different banks. The first one we have here is RCBC. Now, why is the first one that we have is the RCBC credit card? Now, there are a lot of benefits and features that you will be able to get in RCBC. Also, by the way, guys, the list is not arranged from best to the least best. These are just a list, so it's not currently arranged, but I just want to let you know that, guys, because you guys might think that RCBC is the best or the least best out of our list. But anyway, let's continue. We have RCBC over here as one of our best credit cards. Now, they have a lot of types of cards over here. You have premium cards, gold and classic cards, co-branded cards, and Insta cards over here. And it packs a lot of features and benefits for you guys to use. You have budget management. You have a good security. You have enhanced security for your credit cards. You will be able to use it for your travel. There are a lot of rewards that you could get from using the RCBC credit card, and you will be able to easily get cash. And there's a lot of promos over here that you will be able to use and help or enjoy your experience with RCBC. And I think the best thing that you could do, or the best offer of what RCBC can get you, is that you will be able to get 100% accepted rates when you apply for a credit card. So in other banks, there will be some other requirements if you want to get a credit card, such as having another credit card from another bank. So if you don't have a credit card that is existing, you could get it from RCBC, and then you could use RCBC to help you get credit cards from other banks as well. That's one of the good things that you could get, or one of the good things about the RCBC credit cards. Aside from the different features and benefits that you will be able to get, from budget management till getting cash, which is going to help you with your bigger expenses or bigger purchases down the road. Now, the second best, or the second one on our list, is the Union Bank credit card. Now, Union Bank credit card will allow you to withdraw money and basically allow you to use it alongside any type of ATM out there. Union Bank meaning it is a union between different banks, so you will be able to use it with different types of interaction. So over here, let's check out the different features of benefits of their credit cards. The feature of benefits, features and benefits, you will be able to get some credit insurance. You will have guaranteed protection for you and your family, and it will cover up to 400,000 of your debt and disability, which covers up to 400,000 of your outstanding balance. You will also be able to have a longer credit term. You will be able to enjoy up to 53 days of credit with 0 interest. You will also be able to have some payment convenience, some 24-hour customer service if ever you have some issues. You will be able to have some in-house installment. You will be able to get some credit card security and protection. You have worldwide acceptance. This is what I was talking about, because this is a Union card. So your card will have a Visa and a MasterCard logo, which will allow you to use it on every other or almost all transactions around the world. You will be able to have some cash advance facility, flexibility in monthly payment, exclusive discounts, supplementary cards, installment programs, Union Bank Online, and many more. It has a lot of different features and benefits that will be available for us users. Now, the next one on our list is called Metrobank. And Metrobank offers a lot of different credit cards as well, different types of credit cards. You have your Masterbanks, Platinum, and Platinum Mastercards over here. It has a lot of benefits as well. Specifically for travel, you will be able to get a lot of promos and other types of benefits from using this credit card. You could get more information by visiting this website over here, but there are a lot of things that you will be able to do. Now, the next one that we have here is called HSBC. The HSBC credit card will allow you to enjoy up to 3,000 cash rebate when you apply for a new HSBC's credit card over here. And you will have a lot of benefits as well. You will be able to earn 5% cash back on dining transaction. This is for the specific credit card over here. There are a lot of benefits for each type of credit card, so you could easily explore them. You could visit this website as well if you want. But let's show you an example. For example, for the Red MasterCard over here, you will be able to get 4 times bonus points online, dining and shopping and overseas spend, and you will be able to earn a forever 20 pesos spent. You could redeem items using that points. Over here for the Platinum Visa Rebate Credit Card, you will be able to get 5% cash back guarantee on online shopping transaction, including online, 5% back on essential travel, and many more. So each card has their own unique benefits, so you guys could also check them out. The next one on our list, we have Security Bank over here. Now, the different features and benefits of Security Bank is that you have no annual fee. You will be able to enjoy a waived annual fee for the first year or no annual fee forever with the next MasterCard. You will be able to get some special perks. You have non-expiring reward points. You will get 1 point for every 20 pesos spent using the Security Bank credit card. You will be able to have Simply Pay. You could use your credit card to make bank deposits, payments for rent, tuition, business supplies, and more. And the quick application will be very easy, and you will be able to apply for your credit card in just 10 minutes. And they also have here like your balance transfers, ready cash, check application status. You will be able to pay some bills, update credit card information, charge light, and increase credit limit, and many more. And we have here our second to the last list. We have the BPI credit card. Now, the BPI credit card is also an amazing credit card that has a lot of exclusive benefits for us. We will be able to have easy payment of bills. We will have credit card promos, online SIP, and many more. You can click on learn more over here. If you visit that website, you can click on learn more, and you will be able to check out more information about their benefits. And last on our list, we have PNB over here. PNB also has a lot of different credit cards available for us. As you can see here, each of the credit card will have, of course, a specific type of purpose if you guys want to have a specific type of purpose. But the different features that you will be able to get are the default one or the common one. You have security. You will be able to have some cash back, all of those things that you need. So you could easily visit their website over here. Their service over here are here. You have your ESA over here. You will be able to view your electronic statement account. You will have some PNB digital app, which would allow you to pay your credit cards, bills, balance, monitor transactions, your reward points, and your credit card PIN anytime, anywhere. And you will be able to get cash based on your credit card limit with BankNet and PNB ATMs worldwide. And comparing all of those different credit cards available right now in the Philippines and on our list, I think the best one out of this is the Union Bank, because as you can see, based on what we discussed, Union Bank has the most features and benefits, and the fact that it is a worldwide acceptance already beats the other contestants or the other credit cards on our list. But so there's that, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, if you find this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.